Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my Amoretti test kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you these gluten-free and dairy-free lemon blueberry cupcakes with a lemon curd filling. Today we're going to be using the natural vanilla bean artisan flavor. I love using this in cupcakes. It just has a really nice warm touch, and you can also see the little vanilla bean specks as well. We're also going to be using our blueberry extract to add the bright, fresh flavors of blueberries to our cupcakes. This is something you can use year-round, even when blueberries aren't in season. And lastly, we're going to be using the lemon zest oil extract instead of grating a lemon. It'll bring in that fresh lemon zest flavor and save us some time. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get started making these cupcakes. First things first, we're gonna start off by combining our oil and our sugar. Now we'll just mix on that medium speed. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in the eggs and beat that on a medium speed as well. Now that the oil, eggs, and sugar are all combined, I'm gonna go ahead and add in our dry ingredients as well as some non-dairy milk. Mix. Now that everything's combined, I'm going to add the finishing touch, which is going to be our lemon zest oil extract and our natural vanilla bean artisan flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add in the natural vanilla bean artisan flavor. I'm just going to do a teaspoon of that. And now I'm going to go in with our lemon zest oil extract. Now that all of our ingredients are combined, I'm just going to go ahead and mix this one last time. Now that everything's combined, I'm going to go ahead and pour our batter into these cupcake liners. All right, and now I'm just going to go ahead and pop these in the oven. Alright, so I just pulled the cupcakes out of the oven, and while they're cooling, I'm going to go ahead and start making our vegan buttercream frosting. First step we're going to do is just go ahead and put our butter in the mixer and mix it until it's smooth and creamy. And now we'll mix. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the powdered sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this, but I'm just gonna pulse it lightly until most of the dust of the powdered sugar is combined. That way we don't have a big mess. Okay, and even though it's not fully combined just yet, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in some almond milk. That way we can get the frosting going. Okay, now that everything's mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and add our flavors in. I'm gonna use our natural vanilla bean artisan flavor. And I'm only gonna do a teaspoon of that just to give it a little bit of oomph. I'm gonna go ahead and add our blueberry extract. I love this blueberry extract. It smells like fresh picked blueberries. And I'm just gonna add a teaspoon, which will really give our frosting that blueberry flavor. And lastly, I'm gonna add our lemon zest oil extract because I don't have time to waste on grating a lemon, and I just really want that fresh lemon zest flavor. And now I'm just gonna give it a good mix. Okay, so the cupcakes have finally cooled, and now it's time to add our lemon curd filling inside. For this process, I'm just going to be using a rounded 1 teaspoon measurement. A lot easier to scoop out the cupcake part and pour on our lemon curd. We're also going to save the tops so that way we can put it back on the cupcake when it's done. All right, now I'm gonna open up my dairy-free lemon curd. For this recipe, all I did was just switch out the regular butter for dairy-free butter in any generic lemon curd recipe you can find. And yeah, it tastes and works just great. Just go ahead and add a dollop of that inside. The more, the better. Okay, so now that our lemon curd is in the cupcakes, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off some of the cake part on the little cake tops. That way it doesn't squeeze out all that lemon curd. And just place it right back on top, exactly like nothing's in there. Okay, now that the tops are back on and the lemon curd is in the cupcakes, I'm just gonna go ahead and ice them and we'll garnish them when they're done. Okay, now to garnish, I'm just gonna go ahead and grate some lemon on top. It makes the cupcakes look extra pretty and just gives them a little something. Now to finish off our cupcakes, I'm just gonna go ahead and garnish with some blueberries. Just something nice and pretty. All right, there you have it, these gluten-free and dairy-free lemon blueberry cupcakes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you give these cupcakes a try at home. Let us know what you thought about it in the comments below. You can find us on social media at Amoretti on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our new videos. See you next time.